Um, my next slice is pizza things, and I'm I'm working on slice titles. So if you have any better suggestions for these sections, slices. Geraldine says an idea for a future live stream could be the healthiest
Yeah.
pizza. Each of you come up with it. Yeah.
I'll try and, I mean, overall, like we make our dough and ferment it so much that the dough is, you know, healthier for you than, let's say, a chain pizza, like the one I always seem to be eating on here. But because it has all the probiotics and everything, it's like eating yogurt basically. But yeah, as long as it doesn't have cauliflower pizza, because I have my own opinions on that for a future episode.
It's yeah. William says seafood is my fave.
Yeah, some people, you love it or hate it, I think. Like some people are so into it, and I get it. I just feel like it's too much work, you know, like breaking open the lobster, the crab, for the amount of actual meat you get. I'm like, what on earth? I'd rather be eating a giant steak, you know. So
I can't stand eating like crab or lobster, or it's so much work for so little return, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, so pizza things. This is going to be about pizza things, you know, like pizza products, like food products and toys and stuff like that. So that's where all that stuff is going to be lumped into. And today we're talking about pizza spins. Have you ever heard of pizza spins?
I've seen them. I don't think I've ever had them. They don't exist anymore, right? Or do they?
No, they don't. So they came out in 1968, and they were discontinued in 1975. So they had a short run. They were put out by General Mills, who also did Bugles. Bugles are still around, obviously, but it's so funny how far back they were making pizza flavored snacks.
Is it like a wheel? I feel like there's something.
I think it's a wheel. I think it's some sort of wheel. I'm not sure what. But I think it probably tasted like what you think a pizza snack tastes like. So
yeah, like Pringles. Have you had those? They're like
yes.
It's a similar taste, I would imagine, but just judging by the coloring, you know, it's taste the cheese. Wow.
And here's a commercial.
I love it. I love the old school commercials.
Isn't that weird?
Because I don't even get how they look like a pizza, besides the fact that they're circular. But I don't know.
I think it's because there's a hole in the middle. I think that's what's throwing it off. It's like if it were, I don't know. It's just weird. It's just a weird snack.
Yeah. William and Geraldine mentioned pizza combos, which yes, I do like them a lot. And I didn't know there were so many different types that you can get. I think I stopped at,
there's two.
Yeah. Oh, I was thinking of some other combo on the road. One of the gas stations had a whole display of combos. So
right.
Pizza one. So those are good.
Yeah, they're fine. There are two. Yeah, there's like a pizzeria, and then there's a like a pepperoni pizza or something. It's such a
Okay.
weird. I don't know why they called them, but one is more like tomato-y, and the other one is more. And I think one is a cracker and one is a pretzel.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, like Nino found an open bag of one from our trip. We didn't go in our car for a little bit, and he just started eating them. I'm like, dude, I know there's a lot of preservatives, and it's probably fine, but that is so gross. Like, do not. Please stop eating those. No, I mean, eat something that or a new bag. Like, I don't know. It was rough.
Don't be gross.
Like, I didn't have those.
Yeah, I don't think I saw those.
They actually had, I think, New York pizza ones, or I might be thinking of another brand.
Yes.
But I didn't try those yet.
Yeah, I think I tried those. They also had Giordano's pizza.
That's right. Or Grimaldi's. It was
Grimaldi's.
Yeah. And I think Scott Wiener did a video on it or something. Yes, I have had the Pringles. Those I actually like those. I mean, I just love Pringles. They even have pickle Pringles, and I like those. So
I love pickle flavored things.
Yeah, same. Pickles are so good. I used to drink pickle juice growing up because I was a weirdo. I mean, I still do now, but I don't. Not in excess because I realize it's really bad for you.
I mean,
sodium.
Yeah, it's a lot of sodium.
Yeah, unless you're like a marathon runner, you have no reason